Are you ready to elevate your blending game and take your culinary creations to the next level? Look no further than the Nutri Blender Duo with Auto-iQ technology. This remarkable kitchen appliance isn't just a blender, it's a blending powerhouse that takes the guesswork out of drink making. Let's dive into why this blender is a game changer for your kitchen. Auto-iQ technology is the star of the show here. It features intelligent programs that combine unique, timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to do the blending work for you. No more second-guessing the blending time or consistency, you get perfect results every time. The digital countdown timer keeps you informed about the remaining time on your selected Auto-iQ program or tracks blending time when using the manual speeds. The XL72Oz Total Crushing Blender is a beast when it comes to pulverizing ice. In a matter of seconds, it transforms ice into snow, making it ideal for crafting creamy frozen drinks and smoothies that will impress the whole family. Say goodbye to ice chunks and hello to velvety smooth beverages. The Nutri Pro extractor blades are designed to break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds with ease. This ensures that you get the maximum extraction of nutrients and vitamins from your ingredients. No more wasting the goodness locked inside your fruits and veggies. The Nutri Blender Duo comes with both regular and jumbo multi-serve Nutri cups, complete with sip and seal lids. This means you can create nutrient-rich super juices and take them with you wherever you go. It's the perfect solution for those busy mornings or post-workout refueling. The total crushing technology is where the magic happens. It delivers unbeatable professional power with blades that can pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Whether you're making sauces, dips, or more smoothies, this blender has got you covered. With a powerful 1,200-watt motor, this blender can handle even the toughest blending tasks with ease. It ensures that your ingredients are blended to perfection, leaving no chunks behind. Say goodbye to uneven smoothies. In summary, the Nutri Blender Duo with Auto-iQ technology is your ticket to hassle-free, professional-grade blending. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary artist, or a health-conscious individual, this blender is designed to cater to all your blending needs. Ready to elevate your culinary game? Click the link below to explore the Nutri Blender Duo with Auto-iQ technology and unlock a world of blending possibilities. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining me on this blending adventure. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Happy blending!